All right, thank you, and welcome to Next Build. Before I hand it over to Jeff to do our product reveal, just a few housekeeping items. Really want to thank Martin and Greg again for pulling Next Build together. Every year it keeps getting better and better. I think they do a fantastic job of bringing the community together to talk about the difficult conversations, as you could see from the very first two presentations. So as Martin mentioned, we have two tracks running simultaneously. So I want to give a plug out for the track running downstairs in Rutherford. We've got some great topics running, everything from generative design to IFC to the magic of real-time workflows, automated architecture, DFMA. Great stuff. All you need to do is go downstairs, head over to the Epic booth and hang a left, take the elevator down one floor and walk into Rutherford. It's right when you get off the elevator. Want to say, please visit us at our Lenovo Lounge experience. It was designed and fabricated by Hedwig from Actual. It's absolutely beautiful and stunning. You can see some of the materials that they're using in a very sustainable and circular way. We have Bentley, who's going to join us to talk about the impact of the new Intel processors that are running in some of our new workstations. And a shout out to Epic Games, who will be showing one of our very special products. So check out their booth running Twinmotion. And last but not least, before I hand it over to Jeff, everybody who's attending Next Build today gets a free license of Townscaper. It'll be it'll be available. Come and see us at our booth for more information. We'll follow up afterwards with an email as well. And Oscar's presenting later this afternoon. So without further ado, I'm going to hand it over to Jeff to do a very special product reveal.
Thanks, Chris. Good morning, everyone. Well done. Thank you for braving the travel challenges this morning and getting here today. I feel like I'm in church, though. I mean, just a couple of good Christians up front and everybody else sitting in the back. Is that how that works? These are Lenovo guys anyway. That works out. Hey, I want to talk to you a little bit about a fantastic new product we've got coming out actually today. We just introduced it at 9 o'clock this morning. If you think about the challenges that we've had over the last couple of years working from home, you know, a lot of folks have moved to more mobile laptop solutions, maybe mobile workstations to get their job done. Listening to Greg this morning talk about, you know, all the challenges that they have, Maya and everything else. A lot of, insatiable demand for performance from that perspective. So how do we get that performance and allow you to work at home or remotely and still, have the performance you need to get your job done? We've got, not that one yet. Don't show that one yet. This was small. This was the small form factor workstation over the last decade plus. And all of the big three OEM vendors in the industry who drive workstations have this class of chassis. It's about 8 liters, and it can support kind of entry to mid-range graphics and standard Intel processor technology. But we wanted to go further than that. We wanted to create something smaller while still driving the performance customers need in this space. And driving something that you can use at home environment, from a wireless perspective or whatever. So we've got now, what we're seeing is the power of small. This is the new ThinkStation P360 Ultra. And that's my product manager clapping first, right? So this is a fantastic new chassis solution. It's under 4 liters, so we've reduced it by 50%. But we've actually increased the performance here. This is Intel's 12th generation Alder Lake architecture, up to 125 watts of horsepower in here. We can support up to NVIDIA's high-end RTX A5000 graphics. A5000 graphics! It's amazing. So just incredible performance in a small little box. So integrated Wi-Fi, which you don't see in a desktop platform very much. We've got dual Ethernet ports. We also have integrated Thunderbolt on this particular product. So super, super exciting product, starting at about $12.99 US, right? So very affordable from that perspective, and something, I even heard somebody yesterday say, I can put this in a backpack and take it to wherever my remote solution is. And again, from a Wi-Fi perspective, that's going to help have that integration. And you can even put your headphones on it, apparently. So Super excited to be here today, and thank you to Next Build for allowing us to come up and talk about this. We love sponsoring this show, and really excited about the product. If you want to learn more about it, Chris Jarr up here in front, he's going to be in our booth. He can tell you all about the speeds, feet, slots, and watts, and what type of things we'll do. Chris, maybe you can tell us about some of the workflow environments that this will really accelerate.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's going to be a very useful workhorse for BIM in tight places. We think it'll be very useful for reality capture on the edge, where you need to do data processing on a construction site or an area where the processing needs to happen where the data is, because it's too difficult to get it up to the cloud right away. I think it's going to be great for QC, factory automation. Many other use cases. Feel free to come and speak to us at our booth to learn more. And before I forget, we do want to thank NVIDIA and Intel, without whom Next Build wouldn't be possible, and our hardware wouldn't be possible.
Yeah. Hey, BIM in tight places, is that a country song? We'll think about that. Great. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.